Today's Daily Dose of Math is an example of finding the equation of a step function, also known as the greatest integer function, from a graph. The basic form of the step function is here, where we have four parameters, a, b, h, and k. We need to find those parameters from clues on the graph in order to replace them with values and write out our equation. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to find a closed circle on the graph, and we choose a closed circle that's close to the y-axis. In this case, I'm choosing this one, which is not only on the y-axis, it's on the origin. That closed circle has the coordinates of my h and my k. The coordinates of the origin, of course, are 0, 0. Therefore, h equals 0 and k equals 0 in this equation. The next thing I'm going to do is look for the sign of b. The absolute value of b is equal to 1 over the length of the steps. The sign of b determines whether the steps are closed on the left or on the right. When the steps are closed on the left the way they are here, it means that b is positive. So we know our b is positive, and we know it's equal to 1 over the length. The length of these steps is 2 units. Each of the steps on the graph are 2 units in length according to this scale. So therefore, b is equal to 1/2, positive 1/2. Now I'm going to find a. The absolute value of a is equal to the height of the steps. These steps are 2 units in height. Each step on the graph is 2 units above or below the next step, according to the scale. So therefore, a is equal to 2. A is equal to positive or negative 2. We have to figure out whether it's positive 2 or negative 2. And for that, I need to know that AB gives me the slope of an imaginary line that is connecting all of the closed circles on the graph. I can see from this graph that that slope is negative. Therefore, AB, the product of A and B, has to be negative. Since B is positive, A times B has to be less than 0. Since b is positive 1/2, a has to be a negative number in order for the product AB to be less than 0. So therefore, a is equal to negative 2 this time. Now we have all the information we need to fill in our equation. A is negative 2, b is 1/2, h is 0, and k is 0. So therefore, this equation can be written more simply like this. We have found the equation of this step function by using our knowledge of the parameters and all of the clues that are given to us on the graph. That is today's Daily Dose of Math. Please like, subscribe, and share.